welcome back. I have a fun unboxing today. This is from Taperlogy. I think that's how you say it, or Taperlogy, one of the two ways to say it. I'll have the information down below, but I'm excited to announce I'm an affiliate with them. And so I have a 15% off coupon code. I'll have that link down below, but it's Kentucky Crafter, all capitals. So you can get 15% off of your order. And I love how they have everything boxed. They put this little sticker, "I'm finally home," on here. So let me show you some of the things that I ordered. And I've kind of unwrapped some of them just to save some time and noise and things like that. So the first thing I wanted to show is this washi tape. It is a floral washi tape, and here is the code here. It's called "Have a Good Day," and it's a pink floral washi tape, and I think these peel off of here, but I'm not 100% sure. Let's check if I can get it to peel. No. So it's almost looks like a washi tape, and you can trim around these if you want to, or you can leave them as is. And let's see when it starts repeating here. Oh, it goes pretty far. It goes about 15 inches before it starts to repeat. But I just thought these roses were really pretty. A little tricky to get it started, but once you get it started, it comes off pretty easily. So I think that's really pretty. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm doing pretty good. The next thing I wanted to show, I got a couple of stamps, of stamps, and I'll try these out here at the end. But this is the first one, and I thought it was just a fun little label collage stamp. So we'll see what that looks like in just a minute. And then here is the other stamp that I got. Yeah, I have purchased quite a few things from Taperlogy, and I'm always pleased with their quality. Here's another wooden stamp, and this is just a pretty little decorative border. So again, I can use for labels and things like that. And they have other patterns that you could use, or you could select. The next thing that I ordered are these vellum, that I want to show you, are these vellum butterflies. I don't remember how many are in the pack. It might be 100. I can't remember for sure. I'll put the info down below, but I'm just going to pull out some of these. But you can see all these beautiful colors, and they're all different shapes and sizes. The yellows and the pinks, and there's some green and blue. So I'll just show you some of them, and they're really easy to peel off. They peel off the black, or the clear shiny side off the back. And I like that these are a matte finish, so they aren't shiny. But yeah, there's so many fun butterflies in here. So I love that pack. I think I have mentioned a few times that I do not like to fussy cut, so I do like those. The next thing I'll show you is, these are some stickers, and the main reason that I like these stickers was for all of the different labels and numbers and things on here. So you can see all these different little labels, and you can cut out what you want, or you can put the whole thing down, and you get 2 of each sheet. So that's the first one. And then here is the second one. And I love the strawberries too. So you get 2 of those. And then here is the third one. And I'll, like I said, put all the information down below. The next thing I want to show you guys, this is a cute little bead kit. And I was intrigued by this because I thought the beads were pretty. The beads were pretty. And look how cute this is packaged up. There's a little flower on here. And they have it tied with this pretty little string. So let's take a look at these beads. Oh, I got a rogue butterfly there. So they have a few different bead kits that you can choose from. And I chose this one just because I loved all the colors on this one. And you get a variety of different beads. Let's see if I can figure out how to open this. There we go. So here's some just really pretty pink and yellow and blue. And you have this little charm that comes with it. Looks like a little lock. And you squeeze it and it opens up. So you can attach it to something, like to some other charms, jump ring to put onto your journal. But you get blue and green and yellow and pink and maybe clear in that little pack. Let me see if I can get these put back in. And you also get some yarn or string that you can string the beads. So the beads all have holes in them. And this is kind of a, almost like a mauve color string that comes with it. And then the next set of beads. And my thought for these is I want to make spine dangles with these. So here's the other set. So here's a cute little buttercup, and then these pretty pinks and lavenders. So I thought those were all very pretty. I'm thinking this was around $20, but then you would get 15% off. Here's the next pack. I think there's probably 20 in each little bag here. And then here's this one. Look at this beautiful butterfly. And then a smaller butterfly. And then here's some flowers. Another one of those little cup. Couple of those. Another flower, a little rose. And the colors all coordinate. There's a heart. And then another little cup. And another smaller, a couple smaller ones. So this was I thought a pretty good value. Here's the next little pack. And this was all just one little kit here. Like I said, I'll link it below. And here you have a bow and a ring. I really am liking the quality of these beads. They're plastic, not glass. And looks like a couple of wood ones. But I like that for spine dangles, so they aren't too heavy. Little, looks like little fishtail, mermaid tails. Another butterfly. Here's the next little pack. Oop. These are really pretty as well. These are, I love these kind of sparkly ones here. Those are pretty cool. And then just a bunch of other ones. And they all have pretty decent sized holes that you can put string through, or you can use some jewelry pieces. And then here you have some jump rings and some lobster claws, and then some, looks like kind of that plastic string. And then this last little pack, I think it has some of those pins and more jump rings, so you can string some of the beads onto these and then add them to the lobster claws. And then here's a few little charms, flower, butterfly, some other little decorative connector pieces, and then some more jump rings. Nice. And then a little bit of chain. That's cool. I'm very pleased with this. I think for a good value, it's a good variety. And like I said, they have different ones. And like I said, they have different ones, different color themes. So that's a lot that you get in that one little pack. Quite pleased with that. I might have to order some more of those. I like that a lot. The next thing I want to show you is this paper pack. See if I can slide this off. And I just liked the kind of the homemade, handmade paper look of these. They aren't handmade paper. I'm pretty sure. It might be, but some of them have different textures. So like this one's a little bit rougher and these are smoother. And this one's a little bit thinner. Almost feels like a tissue paper vellum. Very pretty. This one's even a little bit thinner, a little bit see-through. So good variety. This almost feels like that. Oh, what was that wallpaper back in the day that was made out of, not straw, but then this one has some little kind of sparklies in it. Just a pretty cream color. So I think these would be great for collage, making cards, using to make pockets in a journal. You get 2 of each design in the pack. And this has a really pretty kind of like a leaf pattern on there. So that was kind of fun. I wanted to try out their paper. I hadn't tried their paper before. But I love all these colors together, mauve and the pinks. Very, very pretty. And then this was the last thing that I ordered. These were some rub-ons. And they give you a little popsicle stick, and they give you some instructions with the rub-ons as well, and how to use them. But it's pretty straightforward. You cut out whichever one you want to use, peel the back off, and then you use the popsicle stick to rub it on. You have to rub with quite a bit of pressure to get them on. But again, I like this one because of all the different words and things on there, because I ordered some flower ones from them and I absolutely love them and like putting them on fabric. But I also thought it would be fun to add a label or some letters or numbers or words with the flowers. So that's why I picked this one. And I like even the little paint splotches and these little labels over here. And then this one with the mushrooms, the ferns, and daisy or sunflower. So that is my haul from Taperlogy. I will be coming back and I'll do some videos using these different items. So if you have any questions on any of them, let me know. Oh, let me try out these stamps before I forget, and we'll check those out. But the coupon code is Kentucky Crafter. So make sure to use that. You get 15% off. I'll just try black for starters and see how well they stamp. I haven't bought stamps from them before. So we'll see how they look. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I like that a lot. So I think that'll add a lot of interest to a page. Background, decorative element. And I like all the detailing in it. See how this one looks. Oh, very nice. I love the wood block. Hold that up a little bit. It's a pretty fine detail. I could have inked that one up a little bit better. But you could, I like the idea of cutting this out and using it for a label or tearing around the edges. Lots of different options there. So these are the stamps. Yeah, I like those. All right, that is my order. Thank you all so much for watching. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.